what's going on? It's Tez. We back with another video. It's been a cool minute. I think the last video I posted was with my boy Whitney and his CTSV he had. And trust and believe, bro, we got those videos coming as well to the channel. But I got some exciting news about this 335, about the BMW, bro. It's been a minute. I just been letting it sit. As y'all seen me taking that car cover off. Shoot, it's got the stuff from the car cover on there, but I ain't worried about that. What I'm mostly worried about is the fact that this car is ready to get street legal. Like, the only thing that I have to do now is actually take the 335 to the inspector I've been talking to, going back and forth with about what this car needs to get legal. So I did a lot of stuff off camera. Not really that much, but I did, in my opinion, a lot. So I don't know if y'all remember from the other video that I dropped, this car needed new tires in the rear because my NT05s that I had back there were pretty much bald. This side was showing wire and that one was pretty much bald from all the pulls I was doing in it. And in the state of Georgia, pretty much if your tires are showing like any like balding marks or like any extreme wear on the tires, like they will fail you, bro. Like there's no ifs, ands, or buts. They will fail you. So I got new tires in the rear, some little Michelins just to pass the inspection. Then I'm gonna be throwing on some Nitto NT 555 R2s back here, but this is just for this. But I'm hella excited, bro. Like, I might not be able to tell in my voice, but bruh, I finally decided to pick the camera up. I did a lot of stuff off camera. Got the tires in the rear. This tire was also bad. I don't know if y'all can see that. Got another tire up front right here. It was showing, let me just bring my phone up. So yeah, right here. I don't know if y'all can see this. Make sure my brightness all the way up. But yeah, this is my front left tire. I sent this picture to the inspector and he was like, yeah, might as well replace it. So I replaced it. Got new tires in the rear. I have yet to still paint this car. I'm gonna paint it after I get this car to pass the inspection. Another thing we did, we went and got the car aligned. Like, we got an alignment for the car at Global Tires. We dropped the car off up there and had them pretty much put an alignment on the car, bro. So yeah, like, that was it. I did everything else to it. Unlocked the car. It's just been sitting. The steering wheel goes straight. The only problem I had after they did my alignment was, I think they did this. Yeah, you see up here it says all rear wheel drive models without active front steering. This car actually does have active front steering. So I think that's probably why it was throwing like this steering wheel light up there. But like, if I put the key in, I had to initialize the steering angle system on Pro Tool with my Pro Tool because that light was on up there, but I had to do it like 2 times. It kept coming back. Then it threw my ABS lights on. I really was sick because you can't have that in order to pass the state inspection. You can't have those lights on. So I'm like, bro, you mean to tell me I took my car up there with no ABS lights, like pretty much no lights on the dash at all, and I get it back and I turn it on and drive it and I got those lights on? Bro, when I tell y'all, I was pissed. But it took a little minute for me to calm down, but they got the car back in spec and whatnot. It was pretty bad out of alignment, to be honest with you. But yeah, the cars, you know, it's been sitting, bro. I got some more exciting news outside of that I won't be revealing just yet. But all I can say is this 335 is about to go under the knife again. I'm not gonna go into any details. If you know, you know. But as far as I'm concerned, my biggest thing that I was really worried about was getting this car legal, because that was really restricting me from making the best content that I could make for you guys. So I mean, man, yeah, like, y'all gotta keep going. Y'all see what I'm going through. Like, I'm not giving up on this car. I'm not giving up on this build. We've been through too much with it. And hopefully by me experiencing the success that I'm experiencing with this whip, that y'all, it pushed y'all to chase y'all dreams and to keep going. So I'm a walking testimony of that, bro. I believe in that heavily, and if I could motivate just one person to do whatever it is that y'all want to do in life, I'll be happy. So let me pop the hood. Car's been sitting, it fires up good. I still have yet to pull this. Like, bro, this how you know it's been sitting. Like, bro, I got leaves in here. My poor baby, it's okay. It's okay, bro. It's okay. We gonna get you right, okay? We gonna get you right. We gonna be back driving. But I've been hella patient. It's been like, what, it's been a solid 3 to 4 months since I've like actually been able to make content, like just be able to take the car out on a drive, record, and film some content for y'all, bro. It's been too long. I haven't really been posting much on Instagram or YouTube, so this is the reason why. Like, I really been grinding. I did all of this stuff off camera because I wasn't playing. Like, I needed to really just focus up and focus on what this car needs. And if y'all been wondering what car this is sitting behind, this is a Customer's 335 IS. Doesn't have the correct hood on it, but it came in not running, still not running. We got a couple things left to do with it. But yeah, that's another story, bro. But yeah, I'm just happy the fact that she's ready to go, bro. Like, when I tell you I don't have nothing else to do to this car to get it to pass the inspection, like, I really couldn't even see this day coming, even if somebody paid me. I'm just keeping it 100 with y'all. So I appreciate everybody checking in my videos, like showing the support that y'all show me. Actually hit me up outside of YouTube, like asking me when my next video gonna be. Like, my boy Tuck was like, bruh. He was like, bruh, man, forget that, forget all that. Where the racing videos at? I'm like, man, I know, like, it's a process, and everybody that's been through this process here in the state of Georgia, man, they know that they don't play around. So and my situation was far from none, like far in between. Like, it wasn't just like, oh, fix this, fix that, and boom, take it. Like, nah, it was a lot of research, a lot of grinding, a lot of late nights, a lot of figuring out like stuff to do. I had to rewire lines right here for my ABS because those got burned up. Like bro, I did a lot to get this car to where it's at, pretty much to where I have a clean dash. Like, the only thing that I had to do was get it to pass the inspection, bro. Like, we got the quarter panel fixed. I just love how that carbon hits in the sun, even though, y'all know, she can't tell me that this carbon don't hit good, though. The car is not even clean. This is not even clean, but it still hit good. So I have plans on replacing this hood right here. I don't plan on having that hood for too much longer. I had to get down to the nitty gritty of it, and that was really just, you can get what this car needs, so I could just take it there, pass it, get it legal. But I do want y'all to go in the comment section and let me know, come up with like some plate names y'all want me to have for the 335. I've came up with some and posted them on Instagram. I don't really necessarily know what I want to do yet. I don't know, bro. I mean, y'all just put up something crazy in the comments, I guess. But yeah, she been sitting. I just haven't been driving her. Just been letting her cool and just been dialing in, trying to get right. But yeah, this is just like a little update video for y'all, because I know I ain't posted nothing in a minute, and I finally have something to post about with it. Next time y'all see this car, this is not gonna be there. We'll have something on the top for the sunroof. We're gonna have a sunroof delete. I'm gonna wrap that in matte black as well, like I wrapped the rest of the roof. Yeah, bro, like, I'm excited. I don't know about y'all, but this is a very big moment, bro. Like this process, like, let me explain. Let me bring it all the way back for the people that's new on this channel. So last year, around, what was it, like a week? It was probably like a week before my birthday, bro. Last year, I got hit by a drunk driver out here around 3 in the morning on 85. It was like a 4-car involved accident. From that accident, I have 5 herniated discs, 4 in my neck, one at the lowest part of my spine. And it was from this body panel. I got hit on this side, messed up the apexes, right? Got to get these recoated, and they didn't this panel in. This whole panel was messed up, so we was able to get that fixed. But like I said, I had all kinds of lights on my dash, pretty much a Christmas tree. It was Christmas every day for me when I drove this car. And come to find out, I had to find somebody to take the lights off the dash because I swapped my DME and CAS and all this other stuff, bro. Like, I just can't explain to y'all how much I've really worked, how hard I've really worked to get this car back on the road. And like I said, I will not, I mean, if I sold this car, it'll probably have to be to somebody that I knew that I could get it back from, because not tell you, I got so many memories in this car, and it's pretty much got me to this point where I'm at now. Like, I got too much into it, like, not even just money wise. I don't even think about the money. I let that go a long time ago. But just like, I wouldn't say relationship wise, but I look at this as like a prize to show myself that I could do whatever I could put my mind to. Because if I could do something like this, put hands on this, just off the spirit of me just learning from a friend and focusing up like that, I could do anything I put my mind to. And that, you know, that go for y'all, bro. So I know this kind of boring content, just sitting here listening to me sitting here talk about this car, but I know y'all probably want to see this. So yeah, like I said, we got some big stuff coming for it, and by the next time y'all see this car, it's gonna be legal. I don't know if I'll record that process, probably just because I want to get it out the way so I can get back to doing what I do with y'all. I got a lot of collabs in the future that I'm gonna be doing with people. Been hit me up like, bro, come on now, come on. So I'm excited. I might not sound like I'm excited because it's early in the morning, but I'm excited enough that I was able to pick up this GoPro and make this video for y'all, because your boy I ain't had no type of motivation to actually do anything, but today I woke up feeling it, so I did it. So I appreciate y'all, man. The next time I check in with y'all, like I said, the car is gonna be legal. It's gonna be street legal. We're gonna have tags on it, and we're gonna go from there. We're gonna run it up again. We're gonna run it up as far as we can, as much as we can, till I can't run it up no more. So I appreciate y'all. Shout out to Split Second Performance, my sponsor for the build and the channel. And yeah, man, y'all like the video, help the video get out there, share it to somebody who's building a 335. Tell them to keep going. Tell them to, you know, finish that build, bro. Like, stop playing around, bro. That car been sitting for 3 years. Either you're gonna build it or you're gonna sell it. Make that decision. But you know, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Let's go.